Hello, welcome back to lesson 3. We should be able to finish more of the parts of hammer, but this lesson we are going to draw some hole or draw some personalized item on the hammer. So this hammer becomes yours hammer, which is different from all others. Now what can we do? Last time we always draw the video on some Sonic. Now this time we're going to draw something which is not stick to the Sonic, but a little bit away from it. We use the function construct plan or offset a excuse me offset a plan on it. Now which function we're going to use? We are going to use create a construction plan tangent to a face or point. We're going to choose that face on it. Okay. Choose a face and choose a point on it. Now you can see that I will repeat the step again. After you choose this function, create a construct plan tangent to a face and point. You choose the spherical face first, and then you choose one of the points at the edges of the sphere. Then you can see that you form a paper on it that you can draw on it or call a plan. Now we're going to draw something on it. We choose the plan, and we choose circle, spherical circle. We'll choose the center of the circle. I think 15 will be good enough. Right? We draw a 15 circle and click on it and click again. Then you can see that you form a circle on here. Now again, it's 2. We're going to make a hole with this one. We choose cut because we want a hole instead of a Sonic. Maybe the distance will be -30 to this area. And that's the end of the hole making. Hope that you could enjoy it. Okay. Last but not least, we may try to add something else on it. Maybe like a name or like something else. Now, make sketches on this face. Now, click Sketch. Click Task. After you click Task, you can choose the edges that is the left hand corner of the task that you want to add. After you click on it, you can pick the task that you want to add to the hammer. Like I want to add the name of Thor, and then you can choose height of the task that you have entered. Maybe 20 mm will be good enough, or maybe something bigger. You can choose the inclined angle here, and also the task style you want to have. Maybe something else, and click OK, and then you can move the task that you have entered whenever you want. And after you fix that, like what happened before, whatever you draw, click Stop Sketches, choose it again, create it, extrude. You can choose both of the way. Maybe you make a Sonic body, or you make a cutting body of whole. And that's the end of the lesson. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming.